You sent 40 direct messages this month. You built a great-looking portfolio. You used the most advanced AI tools on the market to make your work faster and better than it was 6 months ago. And your total income from all of that effort is exactly zero. Most of the internet is currently lying to you about what it actually takes to make money with artificial intelligence. They tell you to learn how to communicate with the machine better. They show you tutorials on how to make your AI-generated text sound slightly more human. But nobody talks about the gap between learning how to use an AI tool and actually getting a human being to pay you for it. Learning AI without a system to convert that knowledge into client conversations produces a highly skilled individual with a completely empty calendar. You are already using AI. You are still not getting clients. The problem is not your ability to use the tools. The problem is that you are attempting to sell a tool rather than selling an outcome. Today, we fix the foundation. We are going to build a premium $5,000 asset in 10 minutes using Gemini and Framer AI. Then, I will give you the exact word-for-word script to sell it to local US businesses. No audience required. No complicated tech skills required. Let us look at the proof. Look at this screen. This is a real roofing company operating right now. There is no clear way to capture a lead. It is a digital ghost town. In this industry, a single job can be worth $15,000 to $30,000. This outdated website is actively costing this business tens of thousands of dollars in lost jobs every month because homeowners cannot figure out how to contact them easily. Now look at these. These are websites built entirely by AI systems like Framer in a matter of minutes. They are beautiful. They are optimized. The reality is that in 2026, AI-generated websites look exactly like handcrafted agency designs that used to take 6 weeks and cost $10,000. If you call that business owner and say, "Do you want to buy an AI website?" they will hang up. But if you call them and say, "Your current site is leaking mobile traffic, so I used a system to build a modern, high-converting version of your business to fix that problem, and it is already finished," they will pull out their credit card. There is a specific journey a stranger must take before they pay you. We call this the ACEC framework: attract, capture, engage, and convert. Attract means delivering value before you ask for anything. Capture means moving that attention into a direct conversation. Engage means building trust. And convert means presenting the offer. Let us apply this to the real world right now and execute the attract and capture stages live. Step 1. We find the gap. I take the information from their terrible website and bring it into Gemini. I ask the AI to extract their core services, their service area, and their contact information. It takes 3 seconds. Step 2. We build the vehicle. We want the absolute highest quality, so we are using Framer AI. I do not spend 3 weeks designing. I paste a master prompt into Framer, and right below it, I paste the exact information Gemini just gave me. I do not have to type out anything manually. It is a simple copy and paste. Within minutes, the AI generates a stunning, fully responsive web page. It looks like a $5,000 custom build from a downtown agency. The visual proof is undeniable. Notice how the AI builds the perfect layout but uses gray placeholders for the images. This is intentional. I take 30 seconds to drag and drop real photos of their business right into these boxes. This small manual touch is what makes it a premium asset. But having a beautiful website sitting on a server does not put money in your bank account. If you do not know how to start the conversation, the asset is worthless. This brings us to the engage phase. You do not send a cold message asking for a 15-minute discovery call. Business owners guard their time aggressively. You must send proof of competence. Here is the exact script we use. Watch the psychology of these words. Hi, name. I noticed your current website does not have a direct insert problem here. Because of how competitive your area is, that missing element is actively leaking mobile traffic to your competitors. I actually went ahead and rebuilt a faster, modern version of your site that fixes this automatically. I built this up front just to show you exactly how it works. Mind if I send you the live preview link? Do you see the structural difference? You identified a specific revenue leak. You delivered massive, undeniable value up front. And you asked a low-friction question at the end. When they reply and click that Framer link, they see a $5,000 asset customized for their exact business. And immediately, they will ask, how much does it cost to make this official? This is the convert stage. You tell them the exact truth. A standard marketing agency charges $5,000 for a site like this, and they will take 4 to 6 weeks. Because I use a proprietary system, I can hand this over to you fully operational by tomorrow morning for $1,500, plus a small monthly retainer to keep the lead capture system optimized. You just presented a massive discount compared to the traditional market, while securing a highly profitable deal for 15 minutes of copy and paste work. You replace scattered effort with one predictable cycle. Understanding this concept is not enough. You need the actual outreach scripts. You need the exact prompts I just used in Gemini and Framer to extract the data and generate that specific design. I want you to start executing this today. So, I have pasted the complete prompt workflow and the exact outreach scripts directly in the description of this video down below. Just scroll down to the description, copy the prompts, copy the scripts, and save them to your computer. Use them tonight. Stop using artificial intelligence just to make things look pretty. Start using it to build a predictable client acquisition system. Go to the description, grab the assets, and open your first high-ticket client conversation before this week is over. Thank you for your time. Execute the system. I will see you in the next breakdown.